Hello, welcome to the ceiling fan world. This is an encon spinner. The model on top of the motor says Evergo, either an encon or Evergo. I don't know if this is a Premier Deluxe or any kind of spinner fan. Normally, this fan came from a restorer, and I don't know what brand this is. Either an encon or what, but let's give it a best shot and start with the low speed. Sorry. It's the light kit. Sorry about that. Oh, that's better. That's much better. Let's start with the medium. Go with medium. It blows them out of air, you see. And I have to tell you, this is a remake, so don't hesitate. But it does wobble a little bit, but no big deal. Blows a lot of air. Let's go for high. Yeah, you can see it wobble, but it's no big deal right now. But blows a lot of air on high. Let's shut it off. Let's see the spin down. Let's watch the spin down. Well, hope you enjoy it. There's lots more to come, and we'll have a next video coming in a little while. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.